right?
Yep, this is Aaron with Buster on the trampoline.
This is dog trampoline.
Look at Buster jumping. Let me see him jump. Good boy. Oh, don't do that. Give him do tricks. See if he'll roll over. Tell him go down first.
Down. Down. Down.
He's all excited.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Buster, roll over. Buster, roll over.
He's not wanting to. Okay, get him to jump.
Yeah. Yeah. Buster.
That's so cute, Buster. Now get him to jump. Don't do that. Get him to jump, not find him. Hup. Hold it up high. Hup. What's you doing, Buster? Let's see. Good boy. Hi, Buster. Good boy. That's so big him is. Aaron, you're doing a really good job.
She's on the camera. They're going to look at you.
He's going to look at the camera?
Yeah.
Buster, let me see if he'll roll over. Hold on. I've got a piece of cheese right here. Buster, down. Look. Down. Down. Buster, bang.
Yeah.
Bang. He won't do it. Hup. Sit. Shake. Good boy. Shake.
And hop. Down, 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 down.
You're gonna get Buster sick. Bust the egg. Get it. I've seen a dog on a skateboard, but dog on a trampoline. Buster, hop. Come on. Good boy. Come here. Look. Down. Bang. Hey, bang. Bang.
Buster.
Bang.
Bang. You want some cheese? Bang.
Okay. That's so good. I love you. It's so good. Yes, you are. Good
Mama.
boy. That's so good.